Hello students, welcome to Young Cubs. Let's check the next sum now. Is it arranged properly? Yes, it is. Alright. So, 2m cube plus m square plus m plus 9, whole thing divided by 2m minus 1. 2m minus 1 into simply m square to get the degree of m cube. So 2m cube minus m square. This goes as a part of my quotient, which is m square. This goes as a part of my working, which is 2m cube minus m square. See the trick, children. Minus sign applied to the whole thing. 2m and minus 2m cube eliminated. This applies over here. This becomes a plus sign and it becomes plus 2m square. Bring this m down. Next what? 2m minus 1 multiplied by just m. 2m into m makes it 2m square minus m into 1 makes it m. This goes as my quotient, which is plus m. This goes as my working. Minus sign applied to the whole. Plus 2m and minus 2m. 0. This minus sign applies here as well. This becomes 2m. Bring the 9 down. What next? 2m minus 1 into 1, children, because I want 2m. So 2m into 1 makes it 2m. 1 into minus 1 makes it plus 1. So here I add plus 1 as my quotient. 2m plus 1 goes in my working. Minus sign applied to the whole thing gets eliminated. This minus sign comes here. It becomes minus. So 9 minus 1 makes it 8. Alright? So what happens? Oh, there's a mistake. Sorry, children. Here I have made a mistake. So 1 into 2m makes it 2m. 1 into minus 1 makes it minus 1. Sorry, let's do it all over again from this part. So this got eliminated and we had a 2m over here. We pull down the plus 9 over here. I have to multiply it by 1. So this becomes plus 1. So I get 2m minus 1 out here. Minus sign applies to the whole thing. Becomes minus and minus. 2m minus 2m, 0. This minus sign applies here. This becomes a plus sign. This turns up to be a plus 10. All in all, my quotient is m square plus m plus 1 and my remainder is 10. Let's look at the next sum, children. Quite tricky. This is not arranged. This is not arranged. Let's see what we need to do first. As per the degree, let's arrange the expression. So the highest degree is x raised to 4. Then comes plus x cube then comes minus 3x square, then comes plus 3x, and then minus 12. This is not rearranged as well, so this needs to be x square and then with no x. Let's write it down. X square plus 2, x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3 minus 3x square plus 3x minus 12. My working area. Let's see. X square plus 2 into x square will give me x raised to 4 plus 2 into x square makes it 2x square. Children, remember I have an x raised to 3 as well. So I need to place this bit very, very carefully. I will have to put the x raised to 4 under x raised to 4 and this plus 2x under the 2x square under the minus 3x square. The degree will subtract from the same degree. If there's any confusion regarding this, please see my video on algebraic expressions part 1. Minus sign applies to the whole thing. So if there's nothing out here, you can straight away write a 0. Alright. So this subtraction sign applies here. X raised to 4 minus x raised to 4 is 0. This carries down as it is. This subtraction sign applies here as well. So it becomes minus 3x square and minus 2x square makes it minus 5x square. Add time to eliminate x cube. So x square plus 2 into x makes it x cube plus 2x. Again tricky. X cube comes under this x cube. Carry this down, children. Plus 3x. This 2x will stand under the 3x. And here you simply add a 0. Alright? So minus sign applied to the whole expression. Minus x cube minus x cube get eliminated, 0. This minus 5x square comes down. This minus sign gets applied here as well. So this becomes minus 2x. So plus 3x and minus 2x makes it plus x. Correct? 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring the minus 12 down. X square plus 2 into 5, rather minus 5x into minus 5, not x, only minus 5. So what happens out here? Minus 5x square minus 10. Place it carefully. Children, the biggest mistake that I've done is I've not entered any of my quotient. So this is my first quotient, which is x square. In my second step, this is my quotient, which is a plus x. In my third step, this is my quotient, which is a minus 5. So now let's continue. I've already entered minus 5. Here I will enter minus 5x square and minus 10 right here. The whole expression minus, this minus and minus become a plus. So this gets eliminated, 0. There's a 0 out here. This becomes an x, and minus add up, retaining the minus sign. This becomes minus 22. Alright? No, it is not a minus 22 simply because minus has not been applied out here. So what happened? It becomes a minus 2 over here. So what's my quotient now? My quotient here is x square plus x minus 5. What's my remainder? X minus 2. That's all for today, kids. Thank you and God bless you all.